Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Shin Godzilla and a T-Rex from Jurassic World as one character. So I want you to stick around for the whole video and let's get started. Hey, how's it going? Let's go over how to draw that mixture of Shin Godzilla and a T-Rex. So stay to the very end and let's get started. I'm going to go right over here and I'm going to throw a curve for kind of the front of the T-Rex's snout. Like it's going to be the T-Rex feature. Down over here. Up for kind of like the way that mouth is shaped. Curving back over here and up. So far it's very T-Rex so far. Up over here at the front, down. Up for the far side brow, and over here for this side of the brow. Don't forget, by the way, to hit that like button if you do like it. If you like these mixtures, definitely, and let me know on as well if you want to suggest one. So over here, we're going to start with a little bit of the Shin Godzilla. We're going to go over here and draw a mostly circle eye. And it's going to be a crazy looking eye, right? The way Shin Godzilla has. Go over here now for the nose, the nostril, and then maybe curve right here a little bit. Line right here for kind of the skin and the open mouth. Right there, starting the lower jaw. Down underneath. Pull down over here, back, up over here, right there. Curve over here now. Alrighty. Line right there. And we're going to start the top of the head. Don't worry, we're going to get into the teeth, but let's just hold off on that for a second. Over here, and we're going to pull the line down right here. It's going to be more upright, very similar to Shin Godzilla's posture. So curve underneath here for the neck. Downward. Now we're going to go over here to the arm. So curve right here to the arm. And it's going to have a kind of elongated arm. Again, closer to Shin Godzilla. Line over here for kind of the bicep. Up over here. Curve. 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 Line over here for the palm, the hand. Right there, kind of a skinny arm right there to the elbow. Think of the arm as like a tube, by the way. And don't forget, by the way, you don't have to be exact. Like this stuff is like, relatively, made up, right? The character. So you don't have to be exact. Just kind of have fun with it. Back of the arm. Curve line over here. And there's going to be a spiked up kind of like rib cage in the front. That's super, super, super Shin Godzilla. Gonna go over here down. And then kind of curve over here to the bottom. Let's go over here down the back and just make our way down. Okay. So let's go into the teeth, which are very, very Shin Godzilla. We're going to... So thinner, longer teeth. And they're a little bit separated out. He's got like, I think it's what's called anglerfish teeth. Don't forget, by the way, there's a free ebook on how to draw cute in the description. There's also an ebook on how to draw Godzilla. If you're having issues with Godzilla and you're not sure maybe how to draw him perfectly every time. And this is for people that really want to draw Godzilla like really good almost every single time. Go check out that ebook. It is kind of like all about the head drawing of legendary Godzilla. So it's made for beginners and it's made to be your guide, and I made it free totally just because I wanted more people to have it. It's not gonna be free forever, so go download it at the link right below, in the description. Line over here, same thing. Now we're doing the bottom row of teeth. Like so. And maybe back of the mouth over here, so curve down. Kind of filling this in. Like so. Let's go over here now. And we can draw some dark teeth like it's in the back, you know, like some triangular shapes, you know, so kind of gives it a little bit more depth in our drawing. Right on like that. There we go. Let's go over here on this side, curve line, and bag underneath the eye. And now let's go over here for kind of the row of spikes on the back. So we're gonna go right here. To me, it looks like I don't know what it looks like. It looks like grass growing. Each I don't know, spike. So right there. Like there as well. Keep going. Keep it kind of going downward here until it's kind of off the page. Whoopsie daisy. That's good enough. Right on. Okay, so let's go over here into the texture. So let's say line over here, kind of around the shoulder blade. Some lines over here, maybe some dark underneath the neck, which kind of gives it, you know, a good effect. And then we can draw these little curved lines because especially Shin Godzilla has these, you know, kind of bumpy textures. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. A line over here, line over here. It's going to be like open. And there's going to be a couple of lines over here for kind of, you can see underneath the skin there. It's got like an opening. Line, line over here. And you can just kind of draw these little bubbliness throughout the whole body. All right, and I want you to stick around because we're going to do another drawing lesson, okay? Stick around, and yeah, but anyways, I hope you have a great time, like I had a great time, and let me know what you think in the comments. I respond to every single comment, okay? So let's get on to the next lesson. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.